What's up, boy?
This that double O joint bun shit. Then hop out and hit a drum shit. OG, cause I'm making bun quick. Don't tell you, talk too much, I'ma get you. I ain't rocking the suit, this a chrome heart fit. It was murder, she rolled. Should've shot a little bit, let's go.
Whoa!
Mission for sure. Call lack, I'm tagging. That double O joint bun shit. Then hop out and hit a drum shit. OG, cause I'm making bun quick. Don't tell you, talk too much, I'ma get you. I ain't rocking the suit, this a chrome heart fit. It was murder, she rolled. Should've shot a little bit, let's go. Double O go home to the.
Fuck the room. I wanna suck your toes, baby. Take off your shoes. They say I'm nasty cause I wanna lick your hands.
I wanna get all right. I know them young niggas gonna be out there getting more. So, yo. Y'all finna see another video. Finna drop it in all probably like this with the two different things. So, y'all, do a lot of shit. Never leave the family for sure, for sure. For sure.
Look kind of deep today. Finna see what the vibes in for, man. See what the vibes in. Hey.
You should have been here when we playing the tournament for you.
I just got out of work. I would have been here, but I just got out of work. I ain't do that. You heard what I said, didn't you? I said I ain't do that. You just sitting there looking, just staring, like you hear me talking to me. Why you just sitting looking like that?
Just staring at you. I can't stare at you.
So you come. You said what? I mean, we can fight. You ain't talking about nothing. Yeah, I'm recording right now. That's how. See, that's nothing different than what I do every day without a camera.
Oh, yeah. Sure.
You said what?
Sure.
Trying to tell you. Ate all day. Got a little folk, and then Chief Keef when they were younger. They ain't social with no dreads. Little folk. Y'all see the fucking rain and killed it, bro. We was just hooping. I had hopped in the game. It was up. Now it just started raining, bro. Like, so yeah, see what we gonna do. We gonna end it right here, man. I done ran all the way. I'm gonna show y'all where the court at. I ran all the way from back there Just playing around the rain, dribbling, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I like this shit. I feel like this one's gonna get me famous for real. Do a lot of shit, never leave the family vlog go, but rain canceled it. So the other day, you know, I'm finna go to the second hoop session of the day, man. I mean, I'm probably split these up in 2 different videos. I'm gonna keep this session on one and keep this session on the other. But the other time I was here, it got rained out over here. And it felt like it's gonna rain again, Joe. Hope it don't, though. If not, I'm just gonna record what I can record, you know? See if I can get these young niggas. These are young niggas who's over here getting buckets, them young niggas. Let me see if I can get a little something. So yeah, stay tuned. So yeah, man, you know, it ain't coming down as hard as it was in the other, video y'all gonna see. But I think this week this gonna be their video. Like I hate it for my young niggas, but this week this gonna be the end of their video. This over 2. The rain just ain't letting me be for these young niggas. Yeah, do a lot of shit. Never leave a family. Like, so shit. Out.
I ain't gotta pay it, we get us a drop till little slime pull up and wipe that.